Okay, so now all I have turned on is my main lights. Hey there guys, Abner Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we would be unboxing the Andoer KM-72B LED fill-in light. So this is the Andoer KM-72B multifunctional LED color fill light. Perfect. So if you're not familiar with this, use this on smartphones when taking videos like what we are doing right now. So this can help you brighten up your subject when shooting videos or pictures with your smartphones. So that is how it should look like. This is the front with the LEDs, and this is the back where we put in some batteries right there. So let us continue with our unboxing. So we have this user guide right here. And this is our main unit, the Andoer KM-72B RGB fill-in light. Wow. So this is our Andoer KM-72B multifunctional LED RGB color fill light. So let's see what we have here. So this is the LED part. And under there, it has a cold shoe mount right here. So you can attach it to your cold shoe mount on your cameras or on your tripods. So you can use this one, or you can use the 1/4 inch screw right there. Also on the sides of our Andoer fill-in light, there are possible cold shoe attachments that could be inserted there, because on the 3 sides that we have on this square, we have cold shoe mounts right there. So 1, 2, 3. So we have cold shoe mounts all around, so you can attach maybe other Andoer fill-in lights like this one here, here, and here. This is where we put in the batteries so we can operate our fill-in light right there. So it uses 2 AA batteries right there. So if you use the batteries, you use the compartment right here. But if you have a Type-C cable, right here is our Type-C cable power input. And by the way, the power draw of this Andoer is 5 watts. And for the last one, this is our power button right here, and also our dimming button, as well as the function button right here. So this is where we turn it on and off. This is also where we make this brighter or dimmer. Okay, and this is also where we would be choosing if we would go RGB or if we would go to the normal temperature light that we need for our shots. So this is the button to do that right here. So for measurements, this is 6.5 cm by 6.5 cm right there. And for the weight, that is 56.8 grams. Okay, so as I've mentioned, this is what we use for the functions that our Andoer KM-72B has in terms of the controls for the LED light right here. Okay, so what we need are 2 AA batteries right here. and we're going to use the battery compartment. So there's a clip right there, just pull it down, and we have to put in the batteries. Again, make sure to follow the polarity right there, plus and minus. And there we go. Close the battery compartment like so. There. So now we should be able to turn on our LED light for the first time. So again, all we need to do is, first, if you want to turn this on, you have to press the button right here. You have to press it 3 seconds right here. Ready? And there we go. Our LED light is on. And if you want to turn it off, you just have to do the same thing. Just push in this button in 3 seconds. Okay? And hold it. There you go. Okay, so that's how you turn on and turn off the LED light. So as I've also mentioned, there are certain temperatures of light that the Andoer KM-72B can do. So to cycle through those modes, you just have to push here on the same button right here. So you can see, I'm going to push it right here. Okay, so this is the main light that we have, the temperature right here. So we're going to push it once to cycle through another color temperature. Okay, so there you go. That's another color temperature right there. Push it again. I'm not sure if my camera is catching that one, but it's on a yellowish shade right now. And one more. More of the same, another push. Okay, so that's the strobe light effect right there. And when we press it again, we will cycle through the RGB mode. So in here is the RGB mode right there. So it's green, blue, purple, white, that's red, and then back to yellow. If you wanted to stay with one color, you have to wait for the cycle to pick it up. So if you want blue, you just press it again, press this button, stop with purple. So that stays in purple when you push the button again. So the limitation for the light is that when it is in strobe light mode, the one before this one, the RGB mode, and this RGB mode, there's no controls for the brightness in terms of the light. So whatever comes through here, you cannot adjust it with this button right here. But with the normal color temperatures, we can adjust the brightness from the button right here. So dimmer and then brighter on the right. So let's push it again to go through the first light that we have. So from here, we can dial this button right here to the right to make it brighter and to the left to make it dimmer. If we go to the right, so you see the light is intensifying, right?
Wow!
And if we go to the left to dim the lights, this is what happens. So there, that's the only thing that you can't do on the strobe light mode and the RGB mode. But for any of these color temperatures, you can control the brightness and the dim of the LED lights. Okay, so we have the Ulanzi portable tripod right here. We have reviewed this on Abner's reviews before. If you want to check that out, check the link right here and on our video description. So we will be using these to mount our Andoer KM-72B. As I've mentioned earlier, there's a 1/4 inch screw right there at the bottom. We have that 1/4 screw right here on our Ulanzi portable tripod, so we can mount the Andoer KM-72B. So let's do that. And there we go. So I just mounted so you can see that it can be mounted on tripods and camera stands or light stands for that purpose. So that shows you the versatility of our fill light right here. As long as it can be mounted with a 1/4 screw or a cold shoe mount, it should fit and it should be mounted like so. I'm going to kill all my lights and I'm going to show you how much light our Andoer KM-72B can fill in our subjects when we are shooting videos or photos. So let us remove our lights. Lights off, please. Okay, so now all I have turned on is my main lights up there. I have turned off all my lights around me, and all we're going to use is our Andoer KM-72B. So let me turn this on. We will use our zombified red hope as our subject for this example. So there you go. That's our normal level, so we can still make it brighter by turning the dial. So there, that's the maximum brightness that our Andoer KM-72B can provide our subject. So I'll demo all the lights so you can see. So let's shuffle right here. So as you can see, our subject, the zombified hope, can really be seen clearly. So if we try to dim it down, you can do so depending on your taste, on how bright you want it to be or how low the light you want it. Right there. So let's use this and cycle through the other modes. That's the strobing effect. Wow. It hits our zombified hope really good, huh? The red light. It matches our subject. So if we go to RGB mode, and there we go. You've seen this example when we cycle all through the modes that our fill-in light can provide us, right? So there's really more flexibility that this one can give us instead of just having one light, maybe just white or warm white. So this one does RGB as well. So pretty cool, right? This is a very nice fill-in light to have. So there you go, guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Andoer KM-72B RGB LED fill-in light. So we have seen the versatility that this fill-in light can give us. So this is the natural light. There's also some warm tones when we cycle through the modes, right? Much like what I'm using for my fill-in lights right now. So we have also those modes. There's also a strobe light mode and the RGB mode, which is really gonna be useful if you're taking photos with different subjects. As you have seen, when we use the strobe function, which has the red light, it really captured the very good side of our zombified hope right here when we shine the red strobing light, because it matches the color. So those are the possibilities this Andoer KM-72B can give you. So those are the advantages of our Andoer KM-72B RGB LED fill-in light. So do not forget that you can also power it via USB Type-C on the side right there. It has cold shoe mounts on all three sides, just not the bottom, because on the bottom you have the cold shoe mounting right there, as well as the 1/4 inch screw, which we are now using with our Alanzi portable tripod right here. So you can power this using AA batteries, two of them, or you can power it via USB-C. So those are the flexibilities and functionalities which our Andoer KM-72B can give you in terms of how you light your subjects when you're shooting videos or photos like what we are doing right here. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked our content for today. Please do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. Invite your friends to subscribe to Abner's Reviews and watch our contents so that if we reach 3,500 subscribers already, we will give away all these prizes which we have announced on our channel. And for more info on that, click on the link right here and on the video description. So please don't forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click on the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our video reviews. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now I'll catch you guys on the next one.